TFT FeatherWing 2.4 inch 320 by 240 touchscreen V2. An edge mount reset button. We have an SD card slot on there, and we also have a nice on-off switch. There's also a Stemma QT connector. You can plug in some nice little add-ons. Nice screen on there. Look, there's little me. That's young me with an Apple IIe computer. There's Cappuccino. I'm using the touchscreen in this case to light up the words on top of their little drop shadows there. Since we have a Stemma QT port on there, I can use a little rotary encoder to increment and decrement some numbers on there. I can click to turn that on and off. And I'm just using the touchscreen to bring up some little gradients, some little color bar gradients on there as if we're calibrating a TV. TFT FeatherWing 2.4 inch 320 by 240 touchscreen V2.